Dear student, let us discuss and do some important problems here. Okay. Look at this. Find the fifth and nth term of 5, comma 25, comma 125. This is a question. Right. So now look at me. Look at me. So if when the question is like that, to find out the term of some sequence, first let us know that this sequence belongs to AP or GP. Now let us check it whether there is a common difference or common ratio. If it is a common ratio difference, then it is an arithmetic progression. When there is a common difference, sorry, ratio, it becomes a geometric progression. Okay, 25 minus 5 is 20, 125 minus 25 is 100. There is obviously there is no common difference. Now let us find out the common ratio. So 25 by 5 is 5. 125 by 25 is 5. Absolutely there is a common ratio. When there is a common ratio, definitely it is a geometric progression. Now, so we have to find out the fifth and nth term of 5, comma 25, comma 125. Okay, look here. First write down A. What is A here? A is equal to 5. That is the first term. We have to write the common ratio R is given by T2 by T1, 25 divided by 5, that is equal to 5. We wish to find out fifth term, nothing but T5 is question mark, and nth term is Tn, that is question mark. Children, look here. When they are asking both one particular term like fifth term and also nth term, first find out the nth term of a geometric progression. So we know that, have a look on this. We know that Tn is given by A into R power n minus 1. Now look here, what is A is 5 into 5 power n minus 1. And use the concept, the power of 5 is 1 here. When there is no power, it is understood that the power is always 1. So now, when bases are same, power can be added. That becomes 5 power 1 plus n minus 1. So minus 1 get cancelled. That you will get 5 power n. That is what Tn. This is the nth term. Now, to find out the fifth term, what to do here? To find out the fifth term is nothing but T5. Put n is equal to 5. That's it. When n is equal to 5, T5 is equal to 5 power 5. 5 power 4 is 625, whereas 5 power 5 is 3125. 3125. This is what. Okay, dear student, again find the 20th and nth term of 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8, so on like that. I will say one clue here. When the terms are the multiples of same quantity, keep in mind, when the terms of a sequence are the multiples of same quantity, definitely it belongs to a geometric progression, definitely. Okay, when there is no common multiple here, it may become arithmetic progression or may not. But when it is a multiple of same quantity, definitely it become a geometric progression. Now write down A. A is equal to here, A is equal to 5 by 2. Now we wish to find out R. R is nothing but common ratio, that is given by T2 by T1. What is that? 5 by 4 divided by 5 by 2. So this can be written as 5 by 4 into 2 by 5. That's my point. This get reversed. So 5 get cancelled, 2 ones are, 2 twos are. That becomes 1 by 2. We wish to find out 20th and nth term. 20th is nothing but T20 is question mark and nth term is denoted by Tn is question mark. We have to use which formula here? Tn is equal to, we know that Tn is equal to A into R power n minus 1. So now A is what here? A is 5 by 2 into R is what? 1 by 2 whole power n minus 1. I can simplify this. 5 by 2 can be written as 5 into 1 by 2. Can I? 5 by 2 can be written as 5 into 1 by 2 into, what is the question here? 1 by 2 whole power n minus 1. Look here. Here also 1 by 2. Here also 1 by 2. The power of 1 by 2 is 1 here. Again, when bases are same, power can be added. plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. This becomes 5 into 1 by 2 whole power n. So this is what Tn. So the question is we have to find the 20th term also. To find out the 20th term, I mean T20, put n is equal to 20 here. When n is equal to 20, this becomes T20, that is equal to 5 into 1 by 2 whole power 20. So now you can keep this one like this. Okay, I can write 5 into 1 power 20 is 1 divided by 2 power 20. So this can be simplified as 5 divided by 2 power 20. 5 into 1 by 2 power 20 is 5 by 2 power 20. This is what T20. Got my point, right? Once again go through this. We'll do some more problems here. I'm going to write the next question here. Next question. Understand this. So here you have, just if it is possible to remember the formula of geometric progression, then it becomes too easy to handle the problems. Unless you know the formula and the basic ideas, you cannot take the problems of this geometric progression or arithmetic progression, whatever it may be. So if you want to learn mathematics very smoothly, understand the formula and the intention of the problem, formula and the terms which are involved in this. Okay. The question is, find the 12th term of GP. Find the 12th term. Look at the question. Find the 12th term. Find the 12th term of GP whose 8th term is 192. 8th term is 192 and common ratio is 2 and common ratio is 2. Common ratio is 2. Look this very beautiful problem. What is the problem here, dear student? Find the 12th term of GP. 12th term is nothing but T12. Got my point? And I already discussed that to find out any term of a geometric progression, we need the first term and the common ratio compulsorily. Here they are given the common ratio. Common ratio is 2. Now it is just enough to find out the first term from the given data. Then it is very easy to find out the 12th term. Okay. Now write down the data here. Find the 12th term of GP. We need to find out T12. 12th term is nothing but T12, whose 8th term is 192. Given, I can write given. Which term? 8th term, that is nothing but T8 is equal to 192. And they are given common ratio. And R is equal to what? 2. Dear children, look at me. First term is taken as A. Second term is AR power 1, nothing but AR. Third term is AR square. Fourth term is AR cube. Fifth term is AR power 4. In general, last term is AR power n minus 1. Here 8th term is nothing but A into R power 8 minus 1. Nothing but A R power 7. That is equal to 192. Got my point? So now A into R is nothing but 2. 2 power 7 is equal to 192. So A into 2 power 7. 2 is what here? So 2 power 7. What will be 2 power 7? That is 128. 128 is equal to 192. Now A is equal to 192 divided by 128. So now by simplifying this, A is equal to what you will get? 3 by 2. 3 by 2. 3 by 2. So 64. 64 3s are 64 2s are. That is A is equal to 3 by 2. Now look at that. The question is to find out the 12th term. Now, again use the formula. Tn is equal to A into R power n minus 1, or you can directly write 12th term is nothing but T12 is equal to A into R power 12 minus 1 is 11. Just substitute. T12 is equal to A is what here? We got 3 by 2 into R is what? 2 power 11. 1 2 goes up. That is 3 into 2 power 10. 1 2 goes up. So 3 into 2 power 10 is 1038. Sorry, 1028 it seems. 1028. 3 into 1024. So then the answer will be equal to 3072. 3072. This is what T12. Got my point? Look at the solution once again. Once again, look at the question and look at the solution once again. We'll go with some other beautiful problems. I can write the questions here. I can write the question here. In a GP, the third term is 24, and the sixth term is 192. Find the 10th term. Look here. Find the 10th term. Okay, very beautiful one. In a GP, so they are only given that it is a geometric progression. In a GP, the third term is 24. What is the meaning of third term? T3. Got my point? So T3 is equal to what? 24. Okay, I can write given I can write given third term is 24. What is the meaning of third term? That is T3. T3 is equal to 24. How can you write T3? So Tn is A into n R power n minus 1. T3 is A into R power 3 minus 1. Nothing but A R square is equal to 24. That will be first equation. And they are given sixth term is 192. Sixth term is nothing but T6. That is equal to 192. What is T6? Instead of T6 I can write A into R power 5 is equal to 192. That will be equation number 2. Here the highest term is second equation. Lowest term is first equation. We have to consider 2 divided by 1. Equation 2 divided by equation 1. What happens here? So look here. They are asking find the 10th term. To find out any term, we need the first term and the common ratio. That's why we are making this arrangement. So they are given the third term. T3 is equal to 24. T3 is nothing but AR square. They are given sixth term. That is T6 is 192. So AR power 5 is 192. Now bigger term divided by smaller term. Okay, now what is a bigger term? Bigger term is AR power 5 is equal to 192. Divided by means LHS, RHS. AR power 5 divided by AR square is equal to 192 divided by 24. Here AA get cancelled, R square, 2R get cancelled. What is the remaining is R cube is equal to 192 divided by 24. That is equal to 8. So now R cube is equal to 8 can be taken as 2 cube. Therefore R should be equals to R is equal to 2. Okay, now to find out the first term, consider any of the term equation, either 1 or 2. Now let us consider the first equation. Now what is the first equation? AR square is equal to 24. A into R is 2, right? 2 power 2 is equal to 24. A into 2 power 2 is 4 is equal to 24. A is equal to 24 divided by 4, right? So then A is equal to 4 6. Now we got both the first term and the common ratio. Now it is easy to find out the 10th term, right? So we have so Tn is equal to, what is that? A into R power n minus 1. The 10th term is T10. T10 is given by A into R power 10 minus 1 is 9. Substitute the value of A and R here. What is A? 6. Into R is nothing but 2. 2 power 9. So that is equal to 6 into 2 power 9 is 512. So 6 into 512, what we will get? 3072. 3072. This is what the 10th term of a geometric progression. Look at that question. Look at this question very neatly. Very neatly.